Hi everyone, it's Shannon with Play with the World. I am so excited to be here with you today, playing with the world with a beautiful message that you might be able to relate to. I want you to think about a goal or a dream that you have right now that you're working on and focus on that goal. And now think about if you're believing in yourself. Do you really believe in yourself? A lot of times we say, yes, that's why it's a goal. But chances are there's a piece of us that feels like maybe it might not come true. So today's message is all about how to believe in yourself when no one else does. And this is very relevant because a lot of you know who have been on my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And all of you Play with the World buddies, thank you for coming back. Many of you know I've been working on pitching my next book idea. It's been a big goal of mine and something I'm working on in a dream in my heart. We're getting closer and closer every day. But last week I had a really tough time because I felt like I've been working on this for so many months, trying to make this goal come true. This is a dream of mine to publish my next book. And I just want a publisher to want it. And a lot of publishers were turning it down for all kinds of reasons. And they were contradicting each other and it was getting very frustrating. And I had a day where I was feeling completely overwhelmed with anxiety, frustration, depression, fear. And I was like, man, no one believes in me. Do I really believe in myself? And that was a wavering moment. And that gave me the tools for today's wonderful lesson for you. So I have 3 ways that you can believe in yourself, especially when no one else is. So number 1, the very first one is I want you to identify your purpose versus your passion. Now, a lot of times we have goals and we want them to come true, and it might be a passion of yours. I'm so passionate about this goal. You should be passionate about your dream. And you should want it to come true. That's number 1. But the difference between passion and purpose is our purpose is something inside of you. It comes from within. We are so connected to our purpose that nothing will waver because it is part of our life plan, this goal, this dream that wants to be realized. Maybe you're working on a specific goal and it feels so much like it has to be part of your destiny. If it doesn't happen, then something inside of you will feel off. That's when it's your purpose. Now, if it's your passion, a lot of the times we look for other people to approve. Well, I'm starting this new hobby, or I'm trying this new class, or I want to go travel more and I need the buy-in from people around me. And it feels like it's important to you, but it's important to you if other people support it. And that's when we start to waver. So I got in touch with my own goal and I said, this book, my next book, needs to be out in the world. I'm a writer. It is my life purpose to share these messages, and I return to my purpose. And when you're aligned with your purpose, you don't need other people's approval because you approve of yourself. So align with the purpose, and of course you want passion, but the purpose is the key piece here. Now, the second step I want to share with you is to know why you started. If you have a goal and you're wanting to really manifest it, and you're starting to waver on believing in yourself, return to your why. Why did you start? Why is it important to you? What is it about this that made you want to really go forward, go on with your bad self, and move forward with this goal? When we return to our why, we become engaged again. We become excited and we become uplifted with the possibilities. So return to your why, and you can even write it down in a journal. This goal is important to me because I want this to come true, because I started this new venture because. And the less we look outside at everyone else, people are going to tell you different things about your goal. They may not support you. They may not believe in you. The less we listen to them, the more opportunity we have to focus on what's happening inside, and the more we have the opportunity to action out the inspiration that comes to us. So don't spend time wasting your time on what other people are saying. Instead, say, I'm committed to doing this. This is my why. I am so excited. Okay, and the third and final step that I have for you today, which is so much fun, is to visit your future self. That's right, you can pick any time in your future. So for example, last week I was in so much frustration for that day after I heard no, no, no from a whole bunch of publishers, and I was like, no one believes in my idea, maybe my idea sucks. And then I quickly applied these tips and I visited my future self. I visited myself this week, right here, doing this video with these tips. I also visited myself with the book deal, and I'm actually just had a beautiful call today with a publisher who's very interested in the book. So things are moving forward. When you can get out of negativity, things will move forward much faster. So you have to focus on what you want. Visiting your future self means that you bypass all of this pain, this frustration, this angst, and you go to it working out. You visit that self that's, it's achieved. I have achieved my desires and I am awesomely on fire. That rhymes, I just made that up just now. I hope you like it. So really it's about achieving your desires and manifesting that goal by visualizing. And you can visit yourself in a week, 2 weeks, even a day, or a year. Visit yourself in 1 year. As the Don't Sweat the Small Stuff series talks about, Christine Carlson and Richard Carlson say, you know, in a year from now, will this really matter? So if it's a goal of yours, it's going to come true when you believe in yourself. And the more you believe in yourself, the less you need other people to believe in you. So I hope you try these tips out. I'm anxious and excited to see which one you like the best. Thanks guys for playing with the world, and I bet you're gonna have an awesome time really believing in yourself more than you ever have before. I do. You too. Okay? Have fun playing with the world.